Ooh, what we have here? A long paw with a whole stomach full of peas. We can open it up now and see what's inside.
Peas.
Peas. Oh, what color are they?
White.
White. Wow, with so many little peas will be in a long shell. Is this the way it grows out here, like?
Yeah.
Sure, that's the way it grows. Now, is it round or is it flat? Oh, the pea is round. Tell me, do it feel soft or hard?
No.
Soft. How many does Dana have in her hand? Look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is they sour or is they bitter? How does it really taste?
Some are outgoing, some are shy. All are children, 3, 4, and 5 years old. They come from city ghettos, rural shacks, Indian pueblos. The experiences they bring with them are not the experiences of the privileged. These are poverty's children. But like all children, privileged and poor, they hold promise and potential. Head Start recognizes that promise and seeks to develop that potential. Nutrition plays a major role in the Head Start program. It's an integral part of the daily activities. Many children come to the center without breakfast. They can have it here, where nutrition is more than just eating. It is learning, finding out that food can be fun. The fun of preparing it, the fun of a new experience shared with others, the fun of discovering what and why and how.
My name is Johnny.
And where do you live?
In a great big apartment house.
What's your address?
Nutrition and all activities at the center try to improve the child's concept of himself. Give him a healthy image that is not twisted by poverty. How a child feels about himself is how he feels his friends and community. He's loving if he knows that he's loved. He's proud if he's treated with dignity. He grows if he's given encouragement and opportunity. At the center, the child learns that he's an important person. Nutrition activities, like snack time, add to the child's knowledge and skills and build his self-image.
What is cantaloupe? Is it fruit?
Through food, he learns new words and colors. He learns concepts of size and shape and texture.
Now we cut it all the way around. Oh, I see what's over here. You were right. It is orange.
What does he really see? How does it smell? Is it rough or smooth to touch? Soft or hard? Is it good to taste? Food can waken his senses and his curiosity. He doesn't reach for fruit instead of candy because he knows that fruit is more nutritious, but because he has enjoyed it fully. It has meaning for him beyond just eating. A chunk of yeast dough is food. It can be baked into bread, but it can also be poked and squeezed and pounded and rolled and stamped and, and even sculpted. And it can be something from which you create something of your very own. A chunk of dough can be many things. Maybe only one child's small success. But small successes make Head Start. A good program doesn't depend on elaborate facilities. It depends on ingenuity. In this old and cramped kitchen, delicious hot lunches are prepared each day for over 75 children. It depends on courage. This center came from a poor Negro woman who wanted to help the children of her community. She begged on the streets until she had enough money to buy a land and a building. Then parent volunteers sawed and hammered, scrubbed and painted. A nearby auto dump supplied playground materials. And some of the land was saved for a garden where the children could plant, dig, weed, and grow. Here each child has his own water pail, placed at a level he can easily reach. With projects like this garden, the child learns about food through direct involvement. At Head Start, learning is an adventure. There is much for the child to explore in the world of food. Field trips can show him the relationship between the food he eats and how it is raised, harvested, marketed, and prepared. He can help to grow greens for a salad, or help choose them at the market. He can make a salad. He can learn to handle new utensils. Or rely on his own, more basic method. Through related experiences, the child begins to understand the logic of the world around him and feel his own importance in it. Arranging and setting a table is a social experience and a personal accomplishment. Head Start brings children and food together happily. At the center, each child gets at least one hot meal that gives him a good share of his nutritive needs for the day. The children eat family style, each serving himself and helping to serve others. Bread is quartered, meat and vegetables cut into manageable sizes. Teachers and aides sit at the level of the children, eating with them, helping them to identify foods. Meals are attractive and the environment is relaxed. Children aren't punished for not eating. And if a new food is introduced, they're not forced, but encouraged to taste it. Individual cultures and regional backgrounds are preserved, even in the child's diet. Meals include those foods that have long been familiar to him and his family. Mutton stew and a large chunk of traditional Indian bread make a delicious and balanced meal. So do pinto beans, tortillas, and squash. The food and the atmosphere at the center influences the food choices and the mealtime atmosphere in the home. Twice each week, a Head Start parent eats with the children as their guest.
And eating with the children, and I enjoy eating with my own children at home. I guess I'm a little old-fashioned, but I used to believe in eating and being quiet. And I've learned from them that you're supposed to talk at the table. And I enjoy eating with them to hear what they have to say. And they have learned to eat new foods that I thought that they wouldn't eat, and so do they. And now we all eat, and we enjoy raw vegetables and fruit and different meats.
What the children learn here at the table, they learn informally and by example. And here you don't have to clean your plate to get dessert. Good food habits set in the early years lay the foundation for later life. And good food habits include responsibilities. Brushing teeth after meals, helping to clean up, a full participation that builds confidence and self-respect. For whatever the region, race, or culture, these children are, above all, individuals. They have a claim on the future, and they have a right to be healthy children. A well-nourished child has a better chance to grow, to learn, to look and feel better, to have more energy for work and play. A child who's fed when he's hungry feels cared for secure. Nutrition, like every part of Head Start, works to break down poverty's most corrosive effect, believing you are less than what you are. These children must learn that they are good because they exist. They must know they belong to a society that cherishes their existence. Head Start is not an end to the problems of poverty's children. It is just a chance to have and enjoy a beginning.